Hello, I'm Katie with WTI and I want to share this neck massager from Tianfucen. Now, this isn't your typical neck massager that uses, for instance, nodes. This is like a portable TENS unit if you've ever used one. Typical TENS units use like sticky pads that stick to the neck, and the neck is the hardest place to apply them. This massager uses metal plates up against the skin and it is perfect. I absolutely love the massaging sensation. It uses electronic pulses to simulate a massage, but what I really love is just how my muscles relax. I personally feel relief from aches in my neck after I use this, and to use it, all you have to do is dampen your neck with a wet towel, put the massager around your neck, and adjust the settings to your liking. I definitely like the third setting the most, and the cherry on top is the heat setting. The heat takes the massage from good to great. It is just so relaxing. I love to do it at the end of the day before I go to sleep. It also comes with pads that plug in, which you can use on other areas of your body. So for instance, if your legs are sore after a long workout, these are perfect to throw on. So now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.